Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving ownership. This prevents losing access. First, confirm which TikTok account shows the phone number. If you still receive SMS, note recent verification codes. They help when contacting support. Once done, gather a linked email address and, if needed, a government ID image, because TikTok may request identity proof. Make sure you're logged out of other TikTok sessions so the recovery process targets the correct account, and proceed to attempt in-app recovery steps. Now use the app's recovery flow to remove or reclaim the number. Go to Profile, then Settings, Manage Account, and tap Phone. If TikTok says the number is already registered, choose the option that matches: Remove, Replace, or Can't use this number. If removal fails, select Need More Help and follow prompts to upload your ID or screenshots showing you control the number. This step forces a support review. Stay on the same network and avoid changing the number during the appeal. If the automated flow doesn't work, contact TikTok support directly and be specific. You should send your username, the phone number, device model, and exact timestamps when you tried verifying. Attach your ID if requested. Explain why the number belongs to you and ask them to unlink it. If they advise waiting, allow 48 to 72 hours for backend changes. If everything fails, contact your carrier to confirm no blocking. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and try a different device or Wi-Fi to rule out local app issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.